Hey y'all, Kevin from Hyndzyte. Hey, since we are promoting this automotive community here at Hyndzyte Engineering, I'm gonna call this a community awareness video. So let's talk about what we've got going on. We had a Hyndzyte board meeting a few nights ago. Might be why I'm still wearing the sunglasses. And we set a date for the first annual fall Hyndzyte Engineering Front Yard Nationals. That's right, we're doing it again. We set that date. It is October 9th. So it's a Saturday. I'll have more details to come on what we're doing. But the basic gist of it is, tentatively, we are getting together in the front yard, 8 o'clock. And we are going to meet, hang out, drink some coffee, BS for a little bit. And then we are, that'll probably be an hour, maybe an hour plus. Oh, excuse me on that. And then we'll take off, and there's a car show in Independence, Missouri. And we will head that way to go check that out. So anybody who wants to come, wants to cruise with us, is more than welcome. We will have a good time no matter what we do. We did decide this time we would do a rain out date. So we may not do it if it's raining. Actually, what'll probably happen is we'll do it if it's raining. But we will make a rain out date because we know and fully understand and appreciate that a lot of people don't want to drag their cars out in the rain. That's what we got last time, and I get it. I understand. Most of us don't worry about that because our cars aren't that nice. So for the Front Yard Nationals, we will have 3 additional vehicles from our group that should make it to my front yard and may make the trip. First is going to be Jay's Mustang. So Jay's Mustang should make it. We got a little time still. He's got a little more work to do, obviously. So that was a goal that was set the other night. Wendell from Hyndzyte will be joining us. His Nova. Big block's running good. Should be good to go there. And last but not least, and I might be missing some, but these are the 3 that we talked about the other night. The 66 Bronco, which you guys have seen a video. If you're up on the channel, you've seen the video, the walk around that we did. I'll throw Mark will throw a link in right here to that video on the 66 Bronco. So that has been at Wendell's place, Wendell's shop. And he's been doing a lot of work to that mechanical wise. You won't see any difference on the body. No, you will not. But it is running and driving and stopping, which is a positive. So we are looking forward to this thing. We're looking forward to some good weather. I hope we get it. But if we don't, we are going to do a rain out date. It'll probably be the following week, the following Saturday. But there'll be more to come on all that stuff. Just wanted to get it out there so everybody knew. The fall Front Yard Nationals is happening October 9th. 8 a.m. is when we will all be in my front yard. You can join us whenever you want. We'll be there for a couple hours. Then we're going to head out and drive these things. First stop should be Independence, Missouri. Looks like a pretty good show out there. And then we've got a couple of choices for stop 2. And then we're working on something that we may end the evening with a bang. I'll just put it that way. So more details to come on that. Other things we've got going on. Justin in Louisville, and these videos will be coming out soon. Justin got a little hooked on the Street Kana, the autocross in Louisville. Not with his 56, maybe someday. But with the Lightning. So he did a lot of that in Louisville, in the Street Kana section, the autocross section. And now that we're back in Kansas City, he may or may not have become an SCCA member and might be doing a little bit out on the weekends with the Lightning as well. So more videos to come on that stuff. What else we got going on? Oh, don't want to forget this because this is epic. Our local Roadrunner connoisseur, Cam, took off yesterday for the Hot Rod Power Tour. Unfortunately, he is solo. None of the Hyndzyte guys were able to join him, and I feel bad about that because I wanted to go so bad. Just didn't work out, couldn't work out, but Cam made it work out because he always does. And he made it from Kansas City to Ohio. Oh, nope, we're gonna have to stay tuned for the video on that. But he is currently on the Power Tour in the Roadrunner, and I'm just gonna say it like it is, kicking ass. Him and that car both are amazing. Just a little tidbit. My 57 on the Louisville trip got about 15 miles to the gallon. Every time Cam and I stopped, or every time we stopped and Cam and I filled up, we used pretty much the same exact amount of fuel, which is funny and sad all at the same time, because when Cam mashes the throttle, he gets a lot different response than when I mash the throttle. So it's a little bit of a bummer for me that, you know, my truck gets the same fuel mileage as Cam. But I just thought that was kind of hilarious in a way that we got the same miles per gallon. Anyway, he's out kicking booty on the Power Tour. There's going to be some videos on that, obviously. He's solo, so we're going to have to bear with him. He can't, you know, probably drive, shift, and video all at the same time, but I know he's doing his best to get you guys some good footage of the Power Tour. And he's already told us about a couple of cars that sound pretty damn cool, so he'll do what he can. And shoot, I don't know, is that it? Seems like we've got a lot going on lately, and we want to take you guys along for the ride. So join us, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification button. Mark's working hard to put together and finalize all the videos from the NSRA show to Louisville, and I know he's working on Justin's videos too, and I know Justin got some more footage at the SCCA runs this weekend, and that's it for now. So that's your community awareness video from Hyndzyte Engineering. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the channel, and we'll have more information out about the Fall Front Yard Nationals as soon as we get it. But again, October 9th, starting at 8 o'clock. First stop when we head out somewhere around 10 will be a car show over in Independence. Stop 2, and the way we end the night with a bang is still a little bit up in the air, so I'll put something out as soon as we get that finalized. Thank y'all. More to come.